How to get working JD Sports discount promo codes. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a working JD Sports discount promo codes. So first is, of course, pull up your preferred web browser. But right now, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now you're going to need to go into this website that's going to be called couponfollow.com and then head over to search for a store. Type in JD Sports. So as you can see, there are three choices right here. The JD Sports UK, IE, and US. Now just simply choose on the designated country that you're using or where you're using the discount with. So I'm currently onto the UK website, so I'm going to choose on the UK discount. So right here, all these codes are actually working. It was just recently used 10 hours ago and so on and so forth. So say you'd like to have the 10% off, click on show coupon code for you to copy and obtain the unique code and then paste it into your payment tab on JD Sports. And that's it. That's how you get working JD Sports discount promo codes.